So what fish was that?
So I don't know the name of the species exactly, but if you look at the back and have a point, you can put a point like this, spine. And if you get too close, it's gonna sting you with his spine. And the spine was up, that means it was like, oh, I will. Okay, come here.
Which one of the three?
The blue one.
Oh.
This is another trip that we have done with Frankland Island River Cruise. Every day they start their trip with an orientation snorkel from the beach, where you learn to become comfortable with the snorkeling gear. They make sure that you are comfortable with all the snorkeling gear and that everything is right before you before you do the drift back with the snorkeling trip, which they call the safari. Now, I have learnt that if you make the mask too tight, it will crease the skin and let water in. So you put the mask on your face, breathe in, and the mask will stick to your face. So then you adjust the straps so that it sits there nicely. Then you put your face in the water and make sure that it is watertight. It is extremely easy. And another thing that I have learnt, that once you put the snorkel on the side and clip it to your mask, adjust it so that it is not up too high or down too low, as you don't want to get water in your mouth. Irene was one of the guides, and she borrowed my camera and went down and showed you where Nemo lived in this part of the world. And then because an octopus was found, she went down to show you. Now, between the coral here, we've got the octopus. So just between the two, I've put up the octopus body and the eye. Now you will see that's where the body is, and it's a very well camouflaged animal. It took me a while to find it. But she was so excited that she got the camera and she was able to get the octopus. Anton was a great guide. He was showing me the differences between the fish and their characters. And he also explained to me that the coral only grows on dead coral or rocks, not on the sand.